MEP, I can route duct quickly and effectively in 3D and have those design changes translated throughout my model. You can see as I go to add duct, it's prompting me for which system I would like as well as the elevation. Notice as I add duct to the left, it is going to add duct over to the right. Now if I were to make a change, like the width of my duct, it's going to prompt me for how I would like this to transition. A lot faster than using the AutoCAD method of drawing these lines, offsetting, and then drawing in the transition manually. As I pull this next spot down, notice it's automatically going to put in an elbow fitting for me. As I continue to draw, I'm trying to connect these air terminals into these duct runs. If I select this Add Duct symbol, again I'm adding duct at the correct height, and I just need to join it into the piece of duct, and notice that it will automatically generate the geometry for me. Now if I know that I need to go from one point to another, I can let the software handle some of the routing for me. If I select here that I want to add duct and go to connect it to this piece, it's going to prompt me for how I would like this to transition. But notice it's giving me one of 4 options of how I would like to connect this, and I can cycle through these to determine exactly the best fit that I would like. I believe I would use this 90-degree one, and once I hit A to accept it, it has created this geometry for me. However, I can have this create different conditions, as not only use rigid duct, but I can use flex duct as well. If I select this and simply hold Control when I place the Add Duct tool, once I connect in, you can see that I have now connected this with flexible duct. Now while I'm routing all of this, I can use the information in the model to control if I am showing any interferences. By turning on my collision detection and pulling a route off of this piece of duct, if I were to raise this up to say 12 feet and pull this to the side, you can see immediately that this information is showing in red, indicating that I have a collision between those two objects. If I were to delete that piece of duct and try again, this time at a 9-foot height, if I pull this over, you can see that in this case I have no interference, so it's not showing that in red. MEP to copy similar information around my drawing. In this example, I'm going to take this branch and I'm going to copy it across this duct. Notice that not only as I copy this, it's going to rotate that according to the direction of the duct I am copying it to. If I were to copy this again up here, you can see that again it's automatically going to rotate that to align it properly to that duct.